How to start streak on Snapchat application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can start or maintain Snapchat streak. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Now before we begin, let us understand what is Snapchat streak. So basically a Snapchat streak occurs when you and a friend on Snapchat send Snapchats, that is pictures or videos, back and forth to each other at least once every 24 hours for consecutive days. So if you want to start a streak, all you have to do is open up Snapchat application and add a friend. After that, start snapping. If you want to add friend, head towards the search bar and add someone as your friend. After that, from this camera section, you can record a video or take a snap. If you want to add some filters, text, stickers, you can do that as well. Then tap on the arrow icon and send it to your streak partner. So once you have sent your Snapchat, if you navigate to your chat section, and both you and your friend must send at least one Snapchat or one snap each day in order to maintain the streak. Only photos or videos counts as streaks, but not the messages or chats. So if you see on this interface there next to their name, you will see the emoji icon with the streak count. So therefore you have to keep an eye on the streak number. It represents how many days you have maintained the streak. So if you're about to lose a streak, hourglass emoji will appear next to the fire emoji. So here, if you see here, there is an hourglass. That means the streak is about to expire. So in order to save that, you have to quickly exchange some snaps. So if you want to maintain your streaks, you can set alarm or the reminder to send snap daily and make it fun, or use creative snaps or try streak specific themes. Coordinate with your streak partner to ensure that they send your snap too. And that's how you can start and maintain streak on Snapchat application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.